Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Okay, I have a question, so please watch the whole video. This is serious. I don't know if you watch, I have one video like maybe a few months ago. I made a video about the engine problem with the Audi, and I had that I had that EPC light, and it says do not succeed over 6,000 RPMs. Now, a lot of people told me, because I got the code P00D, and it says, let me see, B camshaft position slow response bank 2. So now a lot of people are, there's like a couple people told me, oh, they had the same problem, it was a chain. But there is a lot more people told me it's not a chain, it's only that the valve timing solenoid. And I guess a lot of people had that problem, and that is all they changed and they fixed it. So now with me, it only happens when it's really cold, like right now in the winter when it gets under 40 degrees, then the light comes on. But I don't have any problems, it's not shaking, it has the same power, it's smooth, not like, I mean, like totally everything is the same, it's just the light comes on. So what I do, I turn off the car and then I turn it on and it goes off, and that's about it. I don't see it anymore. So now on mine it says bank 2, and on bank 2 there is 2 solenoids, and on bank 1 there is 2 solenoids. So I just want to change those 2 on bank 2, and I want to make sure bank 2 is the right side of the engine, right? Like when you stand in front of the engine, you have bank 1 on the left and bank 1 on the right. Am I right? So the driver's side, I want to make sure which side is it. And I can see one solenoid is like close to the windshield, is like sticking out like that. I can see that 2 on the top, but I can't find another one. Does anybody know where the other one is located? I just don't want to start taking everything off, you know what I mean? So if you know, please comment where the other solenoid is located, and if am I right, the bank 2 is on the right side, right? This is so please comment, and I'm gonna get out and show you what I'm talking about, and I'll show you the parts. I bought the parts and how much I pay for it. Okay, I just took it out from the box, but this is our brand new. I got this from the AutoZone, and it's made by the Santec, something like that. And this is the timing valve solenoid, and I got 2 of them, and I paid this one $75, and I got 2 of them, so it was like 150. So there is like more expensive ones. If you want to buy a better quality, or if you want to get original, you can go to Audi and pay like 5 times 10 times more than that. But I'm not sure if this is the problem that I have. I want to make sure, I want to change and see if it's working, and maybe later on I can buy original part. But so far this is good, this is gonna do a job. All right guys, this is my question. So left side is bank 1, right? And the right side is bank 2. I want to make sure that, like, you know, I'm correct, because I'm not 100% sure, and I can't find anywhere online information about that. And I want to change those solenoids. So if this is bank 2, I can see one solenoid right here. I think this is the solenoid, right? So you're gonna unplug the cable. There's one screw down there, you just pull it out. Like you see on the left side, there's another solenoid, but I can't locate another one. Does anybody knows where is the other one? Because I want to change both of them on the bank 2. So if you know, please leave the comment. I appreciate your help, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Man, it's getting cold. I should have done this earlier. Now I'm gonna freeze. It's like 35 degrees in here, and yeah, but like I said, when it's hot I don't have that light coming on, but when it's get cold, then is when it start popping up. And this time I'm just gonna change it. I'm gonna fix it. So I got a part, and I'll do that in like next couple of days, but I'm just gonna wait for 2-3 days, see if I get any comments from you guys, and make sure where that exactly is, so when I do it, just like do it fast, and then I'll record it, and now everybody's gonna, you know, have place to go and watch and see how it's done, because right now you can't find any video of how to replace the timing belts on the Audis. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in a few days, and please leave the comments, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. All right, thanks, bye.